Find the best sublimation printer for everyone, from beginners to experts, and start printing heat transfers right away. Why rush to a professional when you can do things yourself? Printing on fabric, mugs, and other goodies is the new trend and a fun thing to do. You can now print your favorite quote or a picture you love on most hard surfaces, be it paper, fabric, card, or plastic. All you need is a good sublimation printer. Hi guys. Welcome to Best Gadgets. We've got the top 5 best sublimation printers for you today. You can buy it at the links in the description below the video. Number 5. Epson EcoTank ET-2720. Best sublimation printer for beginners. It's available at around $300. An innovative super tank printer that eliminates the hassle of cartridges and gives you the freedom to print in color. With the EcoTank 2720, you'll save up to 90% on ink versus ink cartridges with ultra-low-cost replacement bottles. Print for about 1 cent per ISO color page versus about 20 cents per color page with cartridges. And EcoTank tags deliver 15 times more pages than ink cartridges. Since one set of bottles is equivalent to about 80 individual ink cartridges, will also reduce waste. Plus, the EcoFit bottles are uniquely keyed for hassle-free filling of each color. The EcoTank 2720 provides convenient wireless printing through your smartphone or tablet, as well as voice-activated printing. The EcoTank 2720 delivers convenience and value, so you can enjoy the freedom to print in color. But what's really great about this Epson EcoTank model is that since it's Epson's entry-level model, this is a cheap sublimation printer compared to most inkjet models with ink tanks. So, if you're just starting out and are looking for an ideal inkjet printer to convert into a dye sub printer, the ET-2720 is ideal. Additionally, there's also a benefit in converting one of Epson's EcoTank inkjet printers with ink tanks into a sublimation printer. According to various experts, it's much easier and less expensive to convert one of these models to a sublimation printer than printers that use ink cartridges. At 7 by 14.8 by 13.7 inches, and weighing just more than 13 pounds, you'll be hard-pressed to find an AIO printer that takes up less desk space. The ET-2720 simple control panel consists of a 144-inch non-touch color display, navigable via a set of arrow keys. Connectivity consists of Wi-Fi 802.11 BGN, connecting to a single PC, via USB 2.0 and Wi-Fi Direct. Number 4. Epson Expression Photo HD XP1300. Best wide format. It's priced at around $300. As the best wide format sublimation printer, this model is also an excellent choice for those who need to convert to a single function inkjet printer. Typical printers can only handle media up to 8.5 times 11 inches. But if you need prints that are larger, you'll enjoy this wide format sublimation printer from Epson, which can print at larger sizes, up to 13 by 19 inches. And since it can print using 6 colors and higher resolution settings than many printers, the images are sharp and vibrant. However, it's not a perfect printer since it's not as easy to convert this Epson into a sublimation printer since it uses ink cartridges instead of ink tanks. The XP1300 is fast, printing 4x6 borderless photos in as fast as 27 seconds, and enjoy the convenience of auto 2-sided document printing. Achieve colorful images with great detail, as you envision while taking those amazing photos. With access to several types of specialty media, including cardstock that's handled easily by the multiple trays available. Reach amazing tones and colors with its 6-color individual ink cartridges, including all new red and gray inks. Print wirelessly from your mobile device for easy access and convenience for your busy lifestyle. Easily navigate menu settings with its 2 4-inch color LCDs. Its compact design makes it the perfect printer designed for any creative area at home. Take your photography to new heights, knowing that the XP1300 can print your photos with professional quality. The Epson Express Photo HD XP1300 printer is the ideal wide format printer for printing pro-quality photographs at home. Number 3. Canon SELPHY CP1300. The cheapest sublimation printer on this list. It is available at a reasonable price of about $140. If you only need to print out good quality 4x6 inch color photos that have vivid color and are durable, this Canon small portable dye sub printer should fit the bill as the best cheap sublimation printer. Due to its modest size, 5.4 by 7.1 by 2.5 inches, it could fit in almost any place in the house or in a small workplace. When you wish to connect the printer, you have a few options: Wi-Fi, USB ports, as well as an SD card slot. There's a lot to like about the Canon SELPHY CP1300 dye sub photo printer, provided that you're okay with being limited to printing only 4 by 6 inch size photos and that you don't need a very versatile dye sub printer. For instance, unlike other dye sub models, you won't be able to print your images onto transfer paper and then use a heat transfer process to transfer the image or design onto a t-shirt, mug, or other objects. But if you're okay with these limitations, this Canon SELPHY printer produces good quality color photos that have vivid color and are also durable. You can also print directly from your mobile devices by downloading Canon's print app, although it can also work using Apple AirPrint for Apple devices, or Mopria for Android devices. The printer is powered via an AC adapter, but you can buy a battery pack, which makes the printer even more portable. The SELPHY CP1300 also sports a small 3.2-inch LCD, which allows you to preview any images you'd like to print directly from your memory card or thumb drive. To be honest, I had no idea a printer of this size could generate such stunning photographs with such color accuracy and sharpness, and it is one of the best inexpensive sublimation printers on the list. Number 2. Brother MFC J995DW INKvestmentTank. Best Brother Sublimation Printer. It is available below $650. As one of the top Brother sublimation printers, the Brother MFC J995DW is a fantastic purchase because it combines strength and affordability. In terms of printing, Brother MFC performs incredibly fine. Rich details, a respectable dynamic range, enhanced color reproduction, and excellent sharpness are all there. When it comes to print speeds, the MFC easily produces documents in color at a rate of 10 parts per million in black, and white at a rate of 12 parts per million. The scanner has a 1200 dpi maximum resolution, which is a decent bargain. It comes with up to 1 year of ink in the box, so you can enjoy worry-free uninterrupted printing. Applying groundbreaking technology, INKvestmentTank uses clean familiar cartridges to transfer ink to an internal storage tank. And with a Brother intelligent page gauge, you'll be confident that you won't run out of ink in the middle of an important print job. If 1 year of ink is not enough, upgrade to XL Extended Print for up to 2 years of ink in box for even more uninterrupted printing. When the time finally comes to replace your ink, Brother Genuine Ultra High Yield Replacement Investment Tank cartridges can help you print for pennies and nickels per page. Brother INKvestmentTank all-in-one printers make copying, scanning, and printing fast and easy, with an automatic document feeder, versatile paper handling, and built-in duplex capability. INKvestmentTank printers let you perform multiple tasks from your desktop and mobile devices. Use the intuitive 2.7-inch color touchscreen to print from or scan to popular cloud apps, to share, store and retrieve documents. The Brother INKvestmentTank is ready for anything, and backed by the at-your-side support for the life of the product. Number 1. Sawgrass SG500. Best for heat transfer. This versatile but relatively pricey sublimation printer can transfer photos and graphics onto a variety of objects, including t-shirts, mugs, and other items, making it our pick for the best sublimation printer for fabric and rugs. It weighs about 30.6 pounds, and measures 15.7 by 17.2 by 8.5 inches. The Sawgrass SG500 fits easily onto the top of a desk, thanks to its small size. But it's still a powerful dye sublimation printer that can be used on many projects, whether you're a hobbyist or you own a small business or kiosk operation. It's also great for making sublimation prints for shirts. Every print produced by the Virtuoso SG500 sublimation printer is of the highest quality possible because of its ability to carry out sublimation printing at a resolution of around 4800 by 1200 dpi. You can print on media up to 8.5 inches by 14 inches and use it to create and apply custom graphics to a wide variety of items. The SG500 has got Wi-Fi connectivity, and also offers a complimentary license of Creative Studio software. With hundreds of ready-to-use graphics and built-in product templates, it was created specifically for the sublimation process. The printer also comes with Sawgrass Print Manager, a software utility that automatically adjusts the ink output to ensure optimal quality while also reducing wasted ink. For individuals who need to make high-quality sublimation patterns, it is the best Sawgrass sublimation printer since it produces brilliant, fade-resistant prints.